I use the days 360. My start date argument and end date arguments are the dates that I specified. The start date was the month, the day, the year that I was born. It's an old date, like the order dates were old. And the current date was B14. Method I don't have to use. And you can see I've been alive 15,904 days. That's how long I've been alive. All right, any questions? Feedback. Did you learn something beneficial in this entire lesson? Anyone?
I did. There's all sorts of new little things that I didn't know about. So this is neat to see all the shortcuts and all the little minor functions,
Good. Yeah, a lot of people have told me it's that autofill, like not having to drag it down, Just being able to double click that has been very beneficial. What a time saver, Really. All right, well, excellent. Anybody else want to share anything real quick?